Good morning, student. This is Veer Singh Rajput from Saraswati classes. Students, as we have studied chapter number 1 of accounting in standard 11, today we are going to take chapter number 2. The name of that chapter is Dual Effects of Transactions and Types of Accounts. It is to be understood that when we are going to write the accounts, first of all, it is to be understood that every transaction has two effects. One effect is to be given in the debit side, and another effect that is to be given on the credit side, right? But before understanding the effects, we should understand first of all what is which kind of transactions we are recording, or which kind of transactions we will record. So I just want to tell you that in business or in accounting, as we have discussed later on or before this one, that in business we only record transactions which are economic, which have which can be measured or calculated in terms of money. Those transactions are to be recorded in the accounting, right? So first of all, we should understand what do you mean by the business transactions, right? The business transactions mean exchange of product. Business transactions mean exchange of product and services of business. Means business में जो हम लोग प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, उन्हें एक्सचेंज करना, आदान प्रदान करना किस तरह से, इन फॉर्म ऑफ कैश और क्रेडिट, या तो नकद स्वरूप में होना चाहिए या फिर क्रेडिट मतलब उधार स्वरूप में होना चाहिए, बिटवीन टू और मोर देन टू पर्सन्स. This is to be known as business transactions. So simply if we can say, the business transactions means exchange of goods or services in cash or credit basis between two or more person is known as business transactions. Now, classification of business transaction is another aspect which we have to understand very much clearly. What are the classification of those things? So first of all, we should understand, lastly we have seen in chapter number 1 that there are two kinds of transactions, economic transactions and non-economic transactions. Here once again we will discuss the same thing. What do you mean by economic transactions? So as we have discussed before, that economic transactions means those transactions which are to be measured in form of money. They are known as business transactions or economic transactions. And non-economic transactions means where there is no value, where there is no measurement of money. The transactions which are involved due to aggression, emotions, love, care, hate, they are to be known as non-economic transactions. So today we are going to discuss both of them, economic transaction as well as non-economic transactions. So first of all we will discuss the economic transactions. So economic transactions के अंदर we have three categories. The first category is cash transactions, second one is credit transactions, third category that is other transactions. Now what do you mean by cash transaction, credit transactions? We have to understand it clearly. Cash transactions means those transactions which when we go to a shopkeeper, we purchase some material and against which we pay the instant money to the shopkeeper. That means cash transaction is over there. But instead of paying randomly payment to that shopkeeper, if we take some time to pay that payment of service which we have taken from the shopkeeper, that is known as credit transactions. So what we have understood, first one cash मतलब आप माल लेके आओ, बदले में पैसे दे दो, वो आपका हो जाएगा कैश ट्रांजेक्शन्स. और जहां माल ले लिया, सर्विस ले ली, उसका यूज भी कर लिया, लेकिन उसकी पेमेंट जो है आफ्टर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, आफ्टर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अगर हम उसकी पेमेंट करते हैं तो उस ट्रांजैक्शन को हम कहते हैं क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शंस। जिसके अंदर समय मर्यादा हमें थोड़ी मिल जाती है उसे हम क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन का रूप देते हैं। थर्ड ट्रांजैक्शन इज अदर ट्रांजैक्शंस। मींस अदर ट्रांजैक्शन मींस सच ट्रांजैक्शन व्हिच आर नाइदर कैश ट्रांजैक्शंस नॉर क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शंस। तो ना तो वो कैश है, ना तो नकद व्यवहार है, ना ही उधार व्यवहार है, फिर भी ट्रांजैक्शन तो है, उसका बिजनेस में उसका इफेक्ट तो दिया जाना चाहिए या फिर दिया जाता है। तो ऐसे ट्रांजैक्शंस को हम क्या कहेंगे? तो ऐसे ट्रांजैक्शन के नाम आते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल, ना तो हमने माल बेचा है, ना हमने खरीदा है, ना पैसे दिए हैं, ना उधार है, माल हमारे पास पड़ा हुआ था, मटेरियल हमारे पास पड़ा हुआ था, लेकिन ड्यू टू सर्टेन सर्कमस्टांसेस जैसे आग लग गई, बारिश हो गई, चोरी हो गया, ठीक है, इन सब कारणों से उसमें कुछ डैमेज हो जाता है। तो ऐसे ट्रांजैक्शंस को हम अदर ट्रांजैक्शन की कैटेगरी में क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड करते हैं, राइट। तो फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव सीन दिस द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शंस एज वेल एज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ transactions which we have seen. The first one is economic transaction and second one non-economic transactions. इकोनॉमिक के अंदर हमने तीन कैटेगरी देख ली। वो तीन कैटेगरी कौन कौन सी थी? कैश ट्रांजैक्शंस, क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शंस एज वेल एज अदर ट्रांजैक्शंस। We all know that non-economic transactions means what? So those transactions which cannot be measured in form of cash or in form of money, they are known as non-economic transactions. Is it clear to everyone? Right? Just do this one, prepare this one, right? This is your homework for tomorrow, and I will come with the next video. Till then, do it. Bye.